Hey everybody, how you doing today? So we have the Mate 20X in 2021, and I want to give you some information regarding this phone since I'm using it long time ago. And here, as you can see, this is the biggest phone you can buy right now, 7.2 inch screen, full big screen with a great experience, viewing experience, dual speakers, very great performance. So let's just get into business. First off, the phone, when it comes to functionality, it is the best phone when it comes to uh, viewing angles, watching contents. Even if you're lucky enough to get the stand, you can watch, like, for example, Netflix, YouTube, whatever things that you are willing to see. You will see it here is the best screen you can watch it because of how big it is, the viewing experience, and the speakers, those speakers. So multimedia wise, it is the best phone you can get right now. Uh, so when it comes to the experience, when it comes to the security, let me just show you the setting here. So I went to system update, and I want to find some new stuff there, but I still have the 10.00. I know there is a new version out, and I already contacted Huawei regarding these new versions, but actually I just still didn't get it in my phone. This is number one. If you're lucky enough to have the 10.1 or 11, you are lucky enough to get it. But in my case, I couldn't get it. This is the UAE version and in the Middle East, but I keep clicking check for update. I couldn't get it. I tried to get somewhere through other softwares. I still couldn't get it. But let's talk about uh, the worst thing. Okay, the worst thing is that Huawei announced, I think 2 days ago, they announced that there will be no more security updates for this phone. And this is really, really bad because this phone is one of the best giant phones that you can have uh, in your pocket, if it actually fits in your pocket. But this is the best phablet phone out there. So for Huawei to announce that they will not gonna provide any software updates, that is a bummer actually. And now I cannot advise you to go and you know have this as your daily driver because of the security thing. Because it's very important to have up to date security for, especially with Huawei because they're having some issues with Google. But you need to have security updates. Yes, we still have using, or we're still using the application, the Play Store applications, but you don't have any more security. So for a person who uses it as a main phone, I would not advise you to use it as a main phone. If it's like a multimedia phablet on the side, yeah, I would say go ahead. You can buy this phone. It's cheap now, so you can buy it cheaper. Since I think they announced it's gonna stop the security update. So, like a side phone or secondary phone or multimedia phone for you slash phone, maybe you can use it sometimes, but as a, like a phone that you use for banking, use it for other like storing all of your passwords there. I would actually be cautious unless Huawei does a huge step and maybe drop another security update or maybe decide to roll up security to this phone. And this is, by the way, Mate 20X. So just just so for you know, this is the 4G, not the 5G. Uh, Unless they do that and they fix the problem with Google, I would say do not use this as your main phone because the security is number one thing for Huawei phones nowadays. So yeah, that's about it. The phone works really awesome, great. It has a lot of functionality. The camera is the one of the best cameras out there. I'm still recording with this camera on my channel, in addition to the Realme X2 Pro camera as well. And the microphone here is the best microphone as well. It's best. It's better than Realme X2 Pro. It's better than other phones. I'm not sure about the new Samsung S21 Ultra, but it might be as good as the S21 Ultra. But I need to check the S21 Ultra. Maybe if I'm lucky to get it, we'll see about that. But so far, uh, yeah, performance is great. So far, I still have the 10.0. I don't have the latest updates. I'm still trying to get it, but I couldn't. But yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Uh, you know, take care, everybody. See you later.